Now we're going to cover how to set up auto-linking in your course shell. Auto-linking allows Moodle to automatically generate links to an activity or resource when its name is typed out anywhere in a course. It can make navigating course content easier if assignments are auto-linked in a task list, or if you insert a reminder in a forum about forum grading for students to easily review. Auto-linking is enabled by default in Moodle, but if you need to turn it off or on for any reason, you can do so by scrolling down to Course Administration and selecting Filters. Now that you know where to find auto-linking if you need to turn it on, we can cover its use. Let's practice this in the Announcements forum. If I go to my Announcements forum to post a reminder about the week's discussion forum assignment, I can get Moodle to link to the activity or grading information without doing anything beyond typing its exact name into my post. I'll click Add Discussion Topic and insert a subject. Let's tell students, make sure your initial posts to the Week 1 discussion have been posted by tonight at 11:59. Review the discussion board sample and rubric before making your posts. Once I save my post, and then go back into the forum, you can see that there are two links that have been created by Moodle, one for the discussion forum and one that would take them to the grading expectations. There are two things to note about using auto-linking successfully. First, the spelling and punctuation needs to be identical as the name of the activity or resource. Second, avoid giving activities or resources one-word names like syllabus or quiz, because any place that those words are typed, Moodle will generate an auto-link which can cause confusion. Third, you can restrict auto-linking in activities like a quiz to prevent students clicking links while completing it. To do so, go to the activity or resource and scroll down to the specific activity administration, in this case, quiz administration. Again, go to the filters and turn this feature off at the activity level. If you need further assistance with auto-linking or have questions that were not addressed here, please feel free to contact the Office of Online and Distance Learning.